A strong defense requires strong evidence. Here's what you can gather in order to help a restraining order case. So you've been served with a restraining order. Now, that restraining order could have been granted ex parte or could be set for a hearing. Regardless whether it's ex parte or if it's already been set for a hearing, you're going to want to have a hearing in front of a judge in order to prove that you did not do what's alleged in this protective order petitions. And what you're going to need to combat these allegations are evidence that you did not do these things that are alleged. Now, what evidence are you going to need or want to have on your side to fight these restraining orders? And that really depends on what sort of restraining order has been filed against you. Restraining orders can be to protect someone that's been a victim of domestic violence. So think a family member hitting another family member. The family member that was hit can file a restraining order. Or restraining orders could be stalking or harassment, meaning you're texting, you're calling, you're driving by someone's place of employment or work multiple times with no legitimate reason to do so. Now, the evidence you want on your side is going to depend on what sort of restraining order you're facing. If you're facing a restraining order alleging stalking or harassment, the things you're going to want on your side are communications from the other party. Stuff that shows, hey, I might have been contacting this person, but they've been contacting me too. And here's some text messages that show that they actually wanted me to show up to their house that day. Additionally, if you're being alleged that you keep driving by someone's house, maybe you were at a different place during that alleged time. So an alibi witness, someone that could say, hey, look, I was with him on that day and time. He was not even anywhere near that residence or place of employment. He was at a restaurant, and here's some receipts from that restaurant at the day and time that these alleged incidents took place. Now, if you're facing a restraining order for, say, domestic violence, some things that might be on your side are, again, an alibi witness. Hey, look, I wasn't even at the house at this time of day. I was with my friend at a Pacers game. Here are the ticket stubs, and here's a picture of me and my friend in front of the Pacers stadium. Or things like, hey, there might have been a scuffle, but I was actually the one that was injured, and I was the person that was hit first. Here's my medical records. Immediately after this, I went to the doctor. Here's X, Y, and Z showing that I was actually hurt. Here's photos from right after the incident showing I was also hurt. So the evidence that you want really depends upon the certain restraining order that you're facing. But the big things you're going to want are text messages, emails, pictures, voicemails from the other party or yourself. You're going to want things that show that you were not doing the things that are alleged in this restraining order. If you've been served a restraining order and need someone on your side to fight, please give us at the Marc Lopez Law Firm a phone call, 317-632-3642. And always remember, plead.